Hello, this is Johnny at 661 John FK page again.
Watching as a lot of these thunderstorms really starting to pop up right now as we work our way later into the day. That peak
This is
is going to
something
be able to
fucking
come in and
strange.
fuel a lot of those
Just
thunderstorms.
strange.
You can see that severe thunderstorm warning just kind of to the south of the
Yesterday we
area.
had
And
all
this is
that
actually for cooler
wildfire smoke
until
from Canada
1:15 p.m.
yesterday.
So be
I
aware
didn't
of
call
that
for
as we
sneeze or
move throughout
gag
the
or
night.
whatever,
And it is going to be working its way
but
awfully close to San Antonio within the next few minutes.
my mouth was just a little drier than usual.
We'll talk about how far it could
But
stretch and what it's doing to your lungs. That's coming up next on America's Weather Center.
today, I coughed twice, only twice today. My nose is a little bit runny. It was a little bit runny yesterday too. But today it was the first time I actually coughed. And my nose actually started getting runny and my mouth is more drier than yesterday. That's fucking unreal. And if it gets any worse, I got this puppy right here. In case shit really gets fucking bad. Inside and out. Well, like I said, that's fucking strange. Didn't cough, sneeze, or whatever yesterday. But now, it seems like it's finally settling in on me now from yesterday. But I guess it's catching up to me. Or it might be indoors is matching the outdoors. Anyway, give you another video blog here soon. I'm fucking real.